Hammer time! Home renovations that'll get you the most return on investment for resale. Because you don't want to drop $20,000 on a fancy tub nobody wants. Let's talk renovations, baby. Sure, that marble tile walk-in wine cave might spark joy, but does it make buyers line up with a full price offer? Not always. If you're thinking about selling your Space Coast home, or just want to increase your home's value without turning your wallet into a sad emoji, here are the smartest home improvements that give you the best bang for your buck with a little tropical flair, of course. Want to see what buyers love? Peek behind the curtain. Dream Home Space Coast, Florida on YouTube. Curious about your home's value or ready to list? Go to margaretsellsdreamhomes.com and check out my website. So, the kitchen, still the queen of return on investment. Let's face it, kitchens sell homes. Buyers want clean, modern, and functional, not necessarily gourmet chef vibes. Best return on investment moves? Paint or resurface cabinets. White or light gray colors. That equals bright plus BG. Swap outdated hardware. Replace old appliances with energy-efficient stainless steel. Upgrade counters with quartz or granite if budget allows. Add backsplash for an eye-catching wow. Just don't knock down walls unless you're sure the layout is a problem. We're renovating, not additioning for HGTV drama. Bathrooms. Clean, bright, and mold-free wins the race. You don't need a spa. You just need a bathroom that doesn't scream 1994. Top upgrades. New vanity or painted cabinets, updated fixtures and faucets, fresh tile or regrouting, frameless shower doors, better lighting. Seriously, those old yellow bulbs gotta go. Even a simple upgrade like a modern mirror can bring resale energy. Curb appeal. Instant return on investment before they even step inside. First impressions are everything. The good news? Florida makes it easy to boost curb appeal with minimal effort. Best curb investments? Fresh paint on a front door, mulch, plus some tropical plants, hello hibiscus and crotons. Pressure washing driveways, walkways, and siding, stylish outdoor lighting, updated house numbers, and mailbox. Buyers judge your home before they even get out of the car, so let's make them fall in love at the curb. Need help? Check out my blog on easy curb appeals for Florida. Flooring. Say goodbye to worn carpet and cracked tile. Old floors equals old vibes. Buyers love cohesive, easy to clean surfaces, especially in humid Florida. Top picks? Luxury vinyl plank, which is LVP. Waterproof, affordable, and stylish. Tile? Timeless in kitchens, bathrooms, and Florida rooms. Engineered hardwood, great in dry areas. Don't go wild with pattern. Think clean, neutral, and airy. Energy efficient, because nobody likes high electric bills. We live in the land of sunshine and air conditioning. So anything that helps reduce utility cost equals return on investment gold. Return on investment, family-friendly upgrades. Smart thermostats. Hello Nest. Energy-efficient windows or insulation. Newer AC system. LED lighting throughout. Ceiling fans with style and quiet motors. Not only will you attract more buyers, but you'll get better inspection results too. Win-win. The entryway. Small upgrade, big impact. Even a little sprucing up in your foyer or entry area can make the buyers go, ooh. Add built-in storage or a cute bench. Hang a modern-day light fixture. Paint or upgrade the front door. Create a mini moment that says, welcome home. Renovation, return on investment, don'ts. Save your cash. Pools. Yep, in Florida too, unless you're in a luxury market. Full garage conversions. Ultra-specific designs or super trendy color schemes. Converting bedrooms into walk-in closets. People love closets, and bedrooms, not just one. Ready to renovate smart and sell with style? Whether you're listing soon or later, these upgrades will put more cha-ching in your pocket when it's time to sell. And you don't have to go it alone. I'm here to help you prioritize the updates that matter most in your neighborhood. Text or call me at 321-480-7662. Plan your sale or home search here at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com, my website. Tour homes, see real upgrades, and get tips on my YouTube channel, Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Let's turn your house into a hot property with return on investment, approved style, and some good Florida fun along the way. Ready to hammer out a plan? Hope to talk to you soon. Margaret signing off.